Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be working in my wellness planner and my meal planner. So my meal planner is called Frosted Blooms, and we're going to be meal planning for the week of October 16th through the 22nd in case you need some meal planning inspiration. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and place the stickers that I created with all of the meal headers and grocery lists. So we're going to go ahead and start with those and go from there. If this is your first time joining, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to spend more time with me. I really appreciate it. So as always, very simple breakfast, lunch, dinner, and one snack a day. That's usually what I plan for. I don't always eat them, but at least I have a plan, right? So I pulled out some stickers from Live Love Posh, one of her older fall books, and look how beautiful these florals are. And I figured we can go ahead and start with those. So I'm gonna go ahead and place these beautiful, beautiful roses down with thorns. And then I'm gonna cut this right at the edge. And then we're gonna place this on the other side, like so. Okay, and I'm gonna finish it off with this little beautiful witch from Designs by Misha. But before I do, I'm gonna go ahead and add this pumpkin and spider to finish it off like so, because it seems a little naked to me. So let's go ahead and add her. No, that's taking too much of my grocery space. And look, these come off so easily. I am loving it. So her paper is super superb. Go ahead and check out her stickers. But yeah, her little witch is adorable. And now I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the top of the spread as well. I'm gonna add some flowers to the top of this box as well. So let's cut some flowers in half as always and go from there. My black scissors, I love them. They need some cleaning. They have so much gunk on them. I'm sure if you're planning, it probably happens to you too, right? So not the best, but it happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this and kind of overlap everything so it looks like it's a full corner. I think it looks so good. And now I can cut this and add a little bit more to the spread as well, like so, with the little spider over the rose. And then that will go next to the witch. Okay, so this part is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the top and kind of fill in those blanks. Look how beautiful these pumpkins are. I know this is her older book, but if you don't have it, you don't have it. See if she restocked it. It's awesome. It's my favorite for fall. Okay, so I'm gonna just add some flowers to the top so it's not so naked, and then we can actually do what this planner is meant for and do some meal planning. So let me go ahead and add these little bat wings with flowers, and then this thorn with crown. Okay, and now it's time for my dots. So I used the Zig dot pen to make dots, and I did pick up yellow, but it didn't really work with this color, so I'm double dotting them. So I'm gonna do yellow first, orange second, and then that's gonna come up with that hue that it is in the planner. It's like a peachy orange. That's exactly what I want. I want this to match. Okay, so almost done, and it's almost time to do some meal planning. Let me just do all of these dots. And as you can see, when they dry, they settle a little bit. So it looks better. Okay, I always plan when my sheets are in a planner. I don't know why I have this quirk, but I do. So let's get started. So for breakfast, I'm gonna just do toast, super simple, no big deal. Leftovers for dinner because I usually cook the night before for dinner and then we have some leftovers, and that's a great way to use them. So small portions. Chili for dinner, chili for lunch, bagel, and then we can go ahead and do spicy chicken for dinner. Okay, and then cutie, plum, toast again. Usually I do like avocado toast or an egg salad toast. Either one is one of my favorite like on-the-go breakfasts. Pork rice bowl, I love making those as well. I love making pickled cucumbers for those. If you ever had them, they're kind of like a Korean side dish. I really love them. On Thursday, toast again, because I usually work in a different location on Thursdays. So it's a busy, busy day. I'm gonna check my inventory. So we have pork chops, cutie, egg and toast, salad. Fridays, I'm usually out and about and I will eat at home in between. So for dinner, we have fish and mango salsa and then plum. So with my snacks, I usually keep it as a fruit and I try to keep it seasonal because those are obviously the best that you can get if they are in season. So breakfast sandwich. And then we have leftovers again for Saturday. Stir fry, which I love making because that's how you get all of your stuff out. On Sunday, we're going to be out quite a bit. And then I just need to figure out my snacks and I will be done. So I can have chips and then pistachios. Okay, so that's my plan. And now we can go ahead and create a spread in my meal planner for the same week. So October 16th through the 22nd. This planner is called Nature and Nurture. And as you can see, it has a different layout. It is a wellness layout. So bear with me as I come up with a spread here. So, and as always, I'm going to be removing all of the prompts because I do not journal in here. I have a separate journal that I use, so super fun. I am going to be using the Chic Fall from Little of Posh, and I want to use these fun bright stickers. So we're going to use these. It's going to be beautiful and fun and different. So let me remove those prompts, like I said. Okay, so I'm gonna start with using these. It's like a little, it looks like gingerbread house to me, you guys. It's so cute. But this fall and beautiful floral design, I really love it. So I'm just adding things as we go. This full arrangement of fall flowers on the bottom is super cute. Like all of these images are just absolutely stunning and I love them. So that's what we're doing in here. I'm gonna add another one of these smaller houses on this side. And then I'm gonna put sweaters, but they're on the side and I really don't mind. I'm gonna do coffee, so I don't really use the sidebar in here. So I'm just gonna have fun filling it up. And then adding some flowers throughout, kind of filling the spread. So this bottom portion of this planner is always super decorational for me. It really has no rhyme or reason, so I just do it the way I do it. I don't know. Okay. Now I'm gonna need some checklists. I usually do the short ones, and this is check it off from Jojo, obviously, right? I use these so often, and I think I'm just gonna look for a matching color, and if not, we'll just do orange or yellow or blue and kind of sprinkle those in. So I am grabbing the colors that I need, and then we're gonna start placing them. So this really black, beige, orange. I'm gonna stick with neutral tones since I couldn't find a full match for these colors and I didn't want to bring another color into the spread, so I'm keeping the top pretty nude. Okay, and now I need boxes to rename the two that I took off. So we have 1, 2, and 3, and I'm using the blue zig pen. It doesn't really match the blue and the spread, but I wanted a pop of color and kind of make it a little bit different and see how it goes. Sometimes I do enjoy experimenting, so I'm gonna rename those tabs, and then once those are done, we are all set. Let me know what you think of this spread and the previous one, and then we'll go from there. But thank you so much for coming in and spending time with me today, and I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining. Bye.